Now let's take a look at the Add Staff form. I'm going to go to Content, Add Content, and then Staff. Okay, so it looks pretty good, but there's a couple of things that we might want to change. First, the first name and last name I think should go above the bio, since we're dealing with the full name and the title. And secondly, this position is a multiple select box, which is one of the most difficult fields for normal people to use. In order to select multiple items, you have to click one and then hold down Control or Command and select another one. That's not intuitive. It would be much better if we had checkboxes here. So Drupal provides a way for us to manipulate this form pretty easily. We can get to the settings by going to Structure, Content Types, Staff, and then Manage Form Display. You can see that in the list of tabs up here. So first we want the first name and last name above the bio. So let's scroll down. Here we have first name and last name, and we can just drag these above the bio. And the next thing we want is for the position to be a list of checkboxes instead of a multiple select box. So we have select list chosen right now. If we click the dropdown, we can choose checkboxes, radio buttons. Whether the form uses one or the other depends on whether the user can select more than one value or not. Notice that there's a settings cogwheel next to many of these inputs. You can click them in order to see additional settings that you can adjust for the field. So for example, if we wanted to adjust the size of the first name field to be a little smaller, we can do that here. And we can also set a placeholder. Let's do that. And we'll just put first here. We'll click Update. It can be good to go through the settings for each field to see what options are available to you. Sometimes you can discover some pretty nice features that way. All right, let's click Save, and let's go back to our staff add form to see what it looks like now. Okay, so we have full name, first name, last name, bio, and then for position, we have checkboxes now, which are much easier to use than the select.